Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the AuraGlow Teeth Whitening Kit, LED Light, 35 Carbamide Peroxide, 25 ml gel syringes, tray, and case. The gel works only modestly, especially for the amount of time it has to sit. 30 minutes is recommended. It was a little awkward at first, but the 30 minutes is the perfect amount of time to watch a show and fold laundry while whitening your teeth. These are kind of a pain to keep in your mouth for as long as you need to whiten your teeth. The only very minor gripe would be that the mouth tray is too loose when connected to the light. The instructions are very clear, and all of the tools come in a well-prepared box. This stuff got me looking like those people on Home Makeover with these pearly whites. The light comes with a built-in 10-minute timer, which is super convenient to keeping track of how long you have and need to keep whitening. At the dentist's office in our part of the world, the expense is a bit daunting, whereas with Crest white strips you know you have direct contact between the strips and your teeth. The mouthpiece is so big, there is so much room where your teeth go, and it makes me gag. The price is already low for the amount of treatments you get, given that with one treatment you have noticeable whiter teeth. If they had the molding tray where you put it in warm water to mold to your teeth, this product would be perfect. The light works perfectly, and the mouth guard is comfortable to wear, and fits well. It lasts forever, and totally worth it. Sitting there for 30 minutes sucks, but beauty is patience. Lol. To me, the strips that you attach to your teeth seem to work better for me. The taste is okay, not horrible, standard whitening taste if you are familiar with that. It is a little messy with the gel, light, and try not to swallow during the process. 5 to 3 hours a day to teeth whitening? Not mention that unless the tray is wet, it's near impossible to fit on the LED light. They also say not to worry about sensitivity, but the instructions tell you to lessen your whitening time if you feel sensitivity. If you have tried Crest white strips, or anything similar, this device is on a whole new level. First of all, the tray is extremely messy, and drool ends up acquiring, leaving you with no other option but to spit it out, which then messes up the tray, and leaves a big mess. The most amazing thing to me was how quickly the 30-minute application time passed. Application of the gel to the mouthpiece was fairly easy, and the absence of any irritation was pleasant. It is impossible to not drool during the 30-minute application, but that was predictable, and only mildly annoying. If you don't have the time or money to have a professional whitening treatment at the dentist's office, this system is as good as home systems get. After a day you could see it working, after 2 days it worked even more. It does make your teeth a little sensitive, but that should be expected with any teeth whitening product. For those that don't have Invisalign, you might be able to find a tray online, or at a pharmacy store that you put in the microwave to mold to the way your teeth are shaped. How in the world can you sell this product, and it not even make one slight difference in the whiteness of your teeth? Garbage. This kit is so fat, the best of the ones you can do at home. The light is nothing more than a blue LED which does nothing, so that is garbage. The flavor of the gel was hardly noticeable, even the rubber didn't have a taste. Thank goodness. The only good thing is the fact all the products were in the box after arriving later than expected. Nowhere on the product box, or the directions inside does it state the strength of the whitening gel. This helps to minimize the saliva combining with the gel and going elsewhere in your mouth. The new design was poorly done, and certainly untested. The clear gel application does work nonetheless. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.